हमारी तरफ एक और हरिकेन आ रहा है जिसका नाम अभी तक डिसाइड नहीं हुआ और so we're gonna grab some water and flashlights and whatever we can find
in case the power goes out or we run out of water.
Let's go to Costco.
Alright, let's go.
Look at the sky and it's raining slowly. तो गैस डाल ली गई है और अब जाते हैं कॉस्को के अंदर और वहां से लेते हैं पानी वगैरह।
Saturday and it opens at 9:30 and it's 8:30. We have to wait a whole hour.
We can go back home or we can find water somewhere else.
Water somewhere else. Let's check Target.
What about Sam's Club?
Sam's Club.
Let's see if it's open.
Yeah, let's see if Sam's Club is open. Got here, guys. Let's go. Let's put both my feet in one.
That's a bad one. It's broken.
Oh, like it's broken.
The other way. Take me. That was yours?
Yeah, no, unfortunately.
Oh.
Okay. Your soap is right here. Let me get your soap. See if that one is good. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Let's see if this one is good. Better than the other one. That was embarrassing.
Is that? Okay, think about getting. Look, oh, that water.
It's already heavy, buddy.
We got a lot of water. A lot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like a wall for the trunk. Wait, there's what? Oh yeah, put it back.
पानी ले चुके हैं. We got the water, and now we're gonna go home to drop off the water and see if we can find other supplies anywhere else. Get in the truck. Go to sleep. सारे एवोकाडो हो गया है बैकयार्ड हमारा।